everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year and welcome to 2021. As I put away all my Christmas decor and get ready for the new year, I wanted to show you how I organize my Christmas decor. I'm trying something different this year. I've been wanting to limit the number of boxes I need to take out every year when I decorate for the holidays. So I'm trying something different where I decorate a tree and I take everything down and put it all in one box. So next time I want to do that same color scheme tree setup, I just take out that one box and that's all I have to take out. And I love the idea of doing that, so I hope it works. This year I had a white themed tree and I also had a blush pink tree. So those two are full boxes that are set and ready to go for any other time that I want to do that. But the others are all just kind of preliminary startup. So next year, as I do different colored trees, I'll be able to figure out what goes into each of the boxes. I'll show you what I did and let me know in the comments below what you think. All right, let's get started. On this side of the shelving unit, I have all the ornaments and they are categorized by color. So just makes it easier. I can grab them. And then coming down here, I have my red ornaments. These are my blue and turquoise ornaments. And the one I have them set up in bags if they're glass, so just so that I know that a lot of them are shatterproof, but I do have them in bags if they're not. And then I have a ton of pine cones that I work around with on the decor. In here I have, they're miscellaneous accents, but they're like signs that I use. They're just little saying signs, little tea lights, and just little accents that I add in vignettes. And in this bucket over here, I have all my ribbons. There's a big bow right in front, so it's gonna explode out of here, but they're literally layers and layers of ribbons that I use in the Christmas decor. And in here, these I just kind of threw in here, that's why they don't have labels. But these are stockings that I have for my dogs, a couple extra tree skirts that aren't categorized in the trees yet because I'm starting this new. And then these are all my various lights. These are like the fancy lights that I have in here. And this container just contains hooks for all the ornaments. Down here I have the little village houses that I set up. And this one got left out, but this is the manger. And then this is another Christmas decor and some more little accents. That's a cute little red, this is really cute. It's a little red sleigh. Now, so that's that side. Now moving over to this side, I have, these are like heirloom. They're more like, they're sentimental ornaments my kids made, their first Christmas, that kind of stuff. Those are in there. And then above they're miscellaneous because they're just clear and I can use them for any tree decor. So that's what those are. And then this is the first tree I did this year. I did the blush tree up in the front of the house. So everything I used on that tree is in here. So next time if I want to do a blush tree, I just pull this bucket out and it has that exact setup. I like the idea of just having it set so I only have to bring out one bucket. So this one is also for a small tree that I have, and this is a black and white tree setup that I'm starting. I haven't done this yet. This is gonna be next Christmas. Coming down here, this is the main tree that was in our great room, and that tree was all white. So everything that I used in that tree is in here. So the next time I want to use a white themed Christmas tree, I just pull this out. And I do have small trees and big trees, so I have to kind of differentiate which tree they're for, because obviously a small tree wouldn't have enough decor for a large tree. So this one's another main tree I've done, and I just kind of put all the turquoise ornaments in here. I haven't done this tree yet, so the only tree I've done is the white and the blush. So those two are full setups. These others I'm still kind of working on, so with each year I can do a different scheme and kind of set those buckets up. But right now there's only two, but I've just kind of gathered everything together so they're together in one box. These are gorgeous Ballard design trees that I got after Christmas sale. Now down here I have, these are all my gift boxes, so this just makes it easier when we're wrapping presents. We just pull these 4 boxes out and we have the ribbons and there's scissors, everything we need in there. There's bows in this box with, and then these are tags, and just makes life easy. Now we're coming down here, we've got another setup for another large tree, and this is for, I say it's, a lot of times I don't do just straight up gold, so this is kind of like my red and gold setup. And then this is for my silver. And then here, again, these are just little decor accents that I have. Down here are gift boxes that I have, wine boxes and things that I need for gift giving. And down here, this is my fall decor. I just didn't have anywhere to put it. These are mirrored pumpkins that I use for table setting. So that's the setup for this side. And I think that I like the idea of just pulling out a bucket, and if I need extra lights, then I just come over on this side and say, oh, I want to add a little bit of gold, and I can just pull some gold. But whatever I set up, I think it's a neat idea to just, whatever is on the tree, and I just pull it down and put it back up. Anything to make life easier. Okay, on this side, I have just various accents. I have some wreaths. There's another one that goes here that's just like this one, but it's still hanging. I haven't taken it down yet, so I have to get that down. And then these are just lanterns, and I think up there are their reindeers, the white reindeers that I have. And now moving down here, I had to put the red black plaid decor for that tree in here because I have a lot of other accents in here, like little hanging wall plaques and cute little stockings and stuff. So this required a bigger bucket, so that's why they're in there. These are just, I have the Santas and polar bears. That's kind of what are in these buckets. Little gnomes. Moving down here, I have, these are all my picks. I have a lot of picks because I use different ones for trees. I use them in I have 2 lanterns in the front of my house, so I use those in my swags, and I'm always changing things up. So that's all in one spot though. And then down here, these are all my trees. So whether they're metal, the cone trees, all the trees that I have that I decorate the house with. I didn't do it this year, I'll have to do it next year, but I have a dress tree. It's a blush pink dress tree. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm really hoping that this setup will work because I really like the idea of just grabbing a bucket. Okay, I have everything I need for this tree this year. I don't have to go get 6 buckets and bring them all out and pick 3 things out of each one. And it's so frustrating, but I think it's easier to do it this way, and it just makes life so much easier. Now up top in this area, that's where all my garland is. They're huge garlands for outside. My nutcrackers are up there, I think. I think that's what it says, nutcrackers. And I have giant ornaments that I use for my staircase. Again, I haven't done that. I didn't do that this year either. And then my Christmas trees haven't been put back up yet, but that's where all my Christmas trees go. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. And until next time, bye bye.